For the love of God, is it working? Please tell me I don't have to start my stream over. I am so sorry, you guys. 20 minutes of hell. If y'all cannot hear me, I got to start over. I don't know. Oh, my Lord. This has been aggravating. I'm ready to throw something. I don't have any tabs, Black Rabbit, but thank you. Oh, I got heartburn. I do got some heartburn. Yes. Buckeye Trisha. Yes, you can finally hear me. Triggered. Hey, beautiful. Oh, my goodness. Hi. Hey, everybody. How are you? Nosy Rosie, you're working?